Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and this is how to deactivate a Messenger account. So to do this, you can just simply go ahead and open up the Messenger application into your device. Now, over here, select Menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now, over here, you can just simply go ahead and go to the settings over here at the top. Now, here on the settings, just simply scroll down until you see here, see more in accounts center. And now from here, you will have an option down below, personal details. Tap on that. And from here, select account ownership and control, and you will have an option over here, deactivation or deletion, and select your Facebook account. And from here you will have two options, either deactivate account or delete account. So if you deactivate your account, it will temporarily delete your account, but you can reactivate it again once you sign in again into your account. But if you go for a delete, it will not be retrieving anymore and it will be permanently deleted. And select continue to the deactivate account. And from here, it is just showing us that if we deactivate our account, we will lose our page as well. And from here, just simply provide your password in order for you to proceed with this process. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.